My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Kizu. This Kizu is a ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to extremely damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this ransomware. So they notice that a special Kizu extension has been appended additionally to the file names, and as a result all these files are no longer accessible. The ransomware encrypts files and obviously damages the files considerably. The ransomware then instructs its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amounts to $980 by the way. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. As you see, as I said, Kizu is the extension added by the ransomware. What I recommend you to do urgently is to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate this ransomware and other types of threats. So initially the quick scan option is available, so click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature that allows you to protect certain files from ransomware attacks, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying this ransomware and deleting it from your system effectively. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of all the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which is the best solution for keeping your files always protected.